The OPPO F15 has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with Corning's Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The display sports an edge-to-edge glass design. The front camera is in the small notch on the front and the back houses a quad camera setup. It has a 48-megapixel primary camera along with an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel depth-sensing camera and a 2-megapixel mono camera. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The camera boasts of 4-in-1 pixel combination technology to deliver better images, especially in low light. The 3 to 8 cm macro lens lets you get up close and personal with your photos. The camera also boasts of EIS to add stability to the videos you record. For security, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor which can unlock the phone in 0.32 seconds. The smartphone is a mere 7.9 mm thin, giving it a sleek form factor. The OPPO F15 runs on Color OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the MediaTek Helio P70 processor. The smartphone has 8GB RAM and comes with 128GB built-in storage. It has a dedicated slot for storage expansion. The OPPO F15 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with VIVO Flash Charge 3.0 fast charging that can charge the smartphone 50% in 30 minutes. The box includes the handset, VIVO Charge power adapter, USB Type-C cable, quick starter guide, case, earphones and SIM tray ejector. The OPPO A9 has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90.70% screen-to-body ratio and a water drop notch that houses the front-facing camera. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. It also houses two cameras at the back. It has a 16-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 lens along with a 2-megapixel depth sensing camera. It has an ultra night mode for low light photography. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 16-megapixel selfie camera with features like AI-powered beautification. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock on the front-facing camera. The OPPO A9 runs on Color OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the MediaTek Helio P70 processor. The smartphone has 4GB RAM and comes with 128GB built-in storage. It is available in fluorite purple and marble green color options. It also sports a game mode called Hyper Boost to give mobile gamers an immersive experience. The A9 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The smartphone is powered by a 4020 mAh lithium polymer battery. The box includes the handset, power adapter, micro USB cable, quick starter guide, case, SIM tray ejector and a pre-applied screen protector. The A9 comes with standard branding. The OPPO F11 Pro has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display. The display sports an edge-to-edge glass design. To maintain this edge-to-edge display, the smartphone uses a pop-up mechanism for the selfie camera. It also houses two cameras at the back. It has a 48-megapixel primary camera along with a 5-megapixel depth sensing camera. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 16-megapixel pop-up selfie camera. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front camera. The OPPO F11 Pro runs on Color OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the MediaTek Helio P70 processor. The smartphone has 6GB RAM and is available in two storage options, 64GB and 128GB. It also sports a game mode to give mobile gamers an immersive experience. The OPPO F11 Pro is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with VIVO Flash Charge 3.0 fast charging. The box includes the handset, VIVO Charge power adapter, micro USB cable, quick starter guide, case and SIM tray ejector. The OPPO F11 Pro comes with standard brand watch.
The OPPO F9 features a 6.3-inch multi-touch capacitive touchscreen smartphone and has a sleek design with rounded edges. It comes with an FHD Plus screen for a good viewing experience. The phone comes in three color options: Starry Purple, Twilight Blue and Sunrise Red. This phone has a 6GB RAM for smooth multitasking and a 64GB internal memory which can be expanded up to 512GB. The OPPO F9 Pro has dual nano SIM slots. Both support 4G Volt capability. The phone comes with a 6.3-inch FHD Plus water drop screen for a complete immersive view, which makes it a great choice for entertainment and gaming. Unlock the phone instantly using the facial recognition or a fingerprint sensor. The phone features a 16+2 megapixel dual rear camera with multiple modes such as AI Beauty, Portrait Mode and Human Face Priority Exposure for professional quality photos. The 25 megapixel AI front camera lets you take perfect selfies under bright and low light environment. The OPPO F9 Pro runs on Android Oreo-based Color OS operating system and has a MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core processor along with a Mali G72 GPU, which makes it suitable for gaming and multitasking. The VOOC flash charge technology helps you gain up to 2 hours of charge in just 5 minutes. This phone is powered by a 3500 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, battery, user manual, SIM card tool, case and a headset. The OPPO Reno 2Z comes with 48 megapixel quad cam with a rising front camera that helps you capture good photos even in low light conditions. It comes with 3D curved glass and a gradient finish back panel. For impact protection, the screen features a Corning Gorilla Glass. The phone is available in luminous black and sky white color variants. OPPO Reno 2Z comes with an 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The OPPO Reno 2Z features a 6.53-inch AMOLED screen with 91.6% screen-to-body ratio that gives you a completely uninterrupted screen experience for watching videos, playing games or reading ebooks. It also features a hidden fingerprint sensor that helps you unlock the phone instantly and securely. The phone has a 48 megapixel quad camera with ultra dark mode that lets you capture good pictures even at night. It also features an ultra steady mode and a bokeh effect video mode for recording videos. The 16 megapixel rising front camera lets you capture more natural looking selfies. Powered by Android operating system with 2.2 GHz Helio P90 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with a 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery providing talk time of 36 hours and a standby time of 360 hours. It also comes with VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 that helps you charge faster. The box includes handset, Type-C cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, booklet with warranty card and quick guide. The OPPO Reno 2Z comes with standard
The VIVO U10 has a 6.35-inch HD Plus IPS display. It also houses 3 cameras at the back. It has a 13-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensing camera. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The camera brings with it features like AI filters, backlight HDR, portrait bokeh and more. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. The VIVO U10 runs on the FunTouch OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the Snapdragon 665 processor. The smartphone has 2 RAM options, 3GB and 4GB along with 2 storage options, 32GB and 64GB. The U10 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The smartphone is powered by a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery and supports 18-watt fast charging. The box includes the handset, power adapter, USB cable, quick starter guide, case, SIM tray ejector and pre-applied screen protector. The U10 comes with standard brand warranty.
The VIVO U20 comes with a 6.53-inch Halo Full View display, which provides an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games or reading ebooks. The phone is available in Blaze Blue and Racing Black colors. VIVO U20 is available in both 4GB and 6GB RAM variants to choose from. Both variants come with 64GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The VIVO U20 features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with 90.3% screen-to-body ratio, giving you more screen space for an immersive viewing experience. It comes with fingerprint sensor that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. The phone has an AI triple rear camera with Sony IMX499 sensor and electronic image stabilization for clear pictures even in low light conditions. It also has a 16-megapixel front camera for selfies. The phone runs on Android operating system. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 AIE octa-core processor allows you to easily multitask. It also comes with Ultra Game Mode that accelerates performance for a smooth gaming experience. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts dual engine fast charging that helps your phone charge faster. It also comes with reverse charging feature to charge other devices using the phone. The box includes handset, user manual, micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin and protective case. The VIVO U20 comes with standard brand warranty. VIVO V17 comes with AI quad rear camera and a 32 megapixel front camera with super night mode that lets you click clear pictures even in the dark. The phone is available in glacier ice and midnight ocean colors. VIVO V17 comes with an 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory that allows for easy multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The VIVO V17 features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus Eye View display. The E3 Super AMOLED display comes with a 20:9 aspect ratio that provides an immersive viewing experience. It also features an in-display fingerprint scanner for a faster access. The quad camera setup includes a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel super wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel bokeh camera. It also comes with a 32 megapixel front camera for selfies. The Super Night mode lets you click clear pictures from both the front and the rear camera even in low light and night conditions. Powered by Android operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with a 4500 mAh battery with dual engine fast charging technology. The box includes handset, earphones, Type-C to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector, protective case, protective film and user manual. The VIVO V17 comes with standard brand warranty.
The VIVO V17 Pro has a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Ultra Full View display. It houses AI-enabled quad cameras at the back. It has a 48 megapixel Super Clarity primary camera, an 8 megapixel Super Ultra Wide Angle camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera and a 13 megapixel camera that offers 2x optical zoom and 10x digital zoom. The rear camera comes with a host of AI features to aid you with your photography. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has the world's first 32 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual pop-up camera. The super wide-angle front camera adds a new perspective to selfies. It also has a night mode to help with low-light selfies. For security, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. The VIVO V17 Pro runs on the FunTouch OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 AIE processor. The smartphone has 8GB RAM along with 128GB storage. It also sports a game mode called Game Turbo to give mobile gamers an immersive experience. The V17 Pro is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The smartphone is powered by a 4100 mAh lithium polymer battery and supports dual engine fast charging. The box includes the handset, earphones, power adapter, USB cable, quick starter guide, case, pre-applied screen protector and SIM tray ejector. The V17 Pro comes with standard brand warranty.
VIVO Y91 comes with Halo Full View display which gives you an immersive viewing experience with a near bezel-less 6.22-inch HD Plus screen. The phone is available in Starry Black and Nebula Purple color. The phone comes with a 3GB RAM that allows for easy multitasking. It also comes with 32GB internal memory which is expandable up to 256GB that lets you store all your pictures, videos and music to access them anywhere on the go. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The VIVO Y91 features a 6.22-inch Halo Full View display with 88.6% screen-to-body ratio, giving you more screen space that provides an immersive viewing experience. It also comes with fingerprint sensor and face unlock that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. The phone has a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel AI dual rear camera for high quality pictures and an 8 megapixel front camera for capturing all your selfies. Powered by Android Oreo V8.1 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. This phone is powered by a 4030 mAh lithium-ion battery with VIVO's exclusive smart power management system to further extend battery life. The box includes handset, micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin, protective case, protective film and user manual. The VIVO Y91 comes with